Hey gang, Poppy after midnight. It's 2:31 on the 27th of September 2019. What am I doing, you may ask? Basically, I'm just waiting to go have my heart surgery. They're going to coil the interior left mammary artery. I know it's a major thing because my cardiologist would have done it in the cath lab 2 weeks ago when she had me in the cath lab. She has no problem saying, give me a couple of number 3 stents and an implanting shunt. I've heard her say that twice. So I know she couldn't go up my aorta to work on this. So I don't think I'm going to get lucky and they're going to spread a couple of ribs over here on the left side. No. Sounds like full-blown cracked chest. I'm just hoping that I don't have to go on the heart-lung bypass. I mean, they're not bypassing. All they got to do is coil. I mean, intuitively, not knowing nothing about cardiology, just being a heart patient, I don't know nothing about heart disease. Yeah, butter would melt in my mouth. So anyway, the heavy projects in the shop aren't going to be happening for a while. You think my wife is going to let me pick up my tool bag to carry it out there, come back in, get a computer, carry it out there, come back in, get my coffee mug, take it out there, come back in because I forgot something, or the box of parts is right over here? No. So I'll probably be doing a lot of the living room projects, like showing you how to wire a 30 amp mobility scooter battery into an APC UPC unit. Go from a battery the size of a half a carton of cigarettes to one that's the size of a cinder block. Watch the lifetime of that battery running a computer and a modem go from 2 minutes to a couple hours. Show you that. Probably do Project Interruptus. I've got a couple of projects. Project Interruptus file. There's the cold extract coffee maker. I got stalled on that. I gotta take the next step to 1/4 inch aperture. There's my 2-direction, really low speed drive from a shear line lathe. I'm retro hacking out of an old knife sharpening system. Low speed, reversible, the wet well. Project Interruptus on that because the belts are shot. I currently don't have the money to get the O-rings I want, especially since next month is stepdaughter's birthday and ain't gonna miss that. So I'll probably spend my whole month's shop allowance on her. That leaves November. Yeah, I get November all for me. Yeah, okay. They ain't gonna let me go out to the shop and it's raining and freezing. I gotta go out there to turn on the heaters a couple hours before I can go out and work, and it's not quite warm enough when I get out there in the winter. Yeah, they're gonna let me get pneumonia. Yeah. A lot of the living room projects. Have the old lady drag stuff and put it in the computer room. I'll set up in there. She asked me, well, couldn't you set up your lathe and your milling machine in the computer room? I said, darling, you really want me machining in the computer room in the middle of the night? And you're on the other side of that wall trying to sleep? She may get it.